How are you today?
Pretty good.
Well, I know that we just got back from Comic-Con last weekend.
Yep.
And by the time that we air this episode, it's going to be a weekend or two later, but we had so much fun.
Yeah.
And you had so many firsts this time.
Oh, yeah.
That we wanted to share it with all of our audience and our friends.
Yeah. It's
so we
great.
thought we'd do a little recap.
Yeah, like you said, a lot of firsts for me.
Mm-hmm. Tell us.
Me went for a couple days. He went for like Wednesday to Saturday. Mm-hmm. You came down for Thursday.
Yep,
but
I
the
did.
rest of the time, Puppet was by himself. A lot of
Yep.
firsts. He got up at 3:45 that morning to get a 7 a.m. train down to San Diego.
Wow.
Very exciting.
Very exciting.
My first Uber ride, but the train was great. This guy, conductor Matt, he told me that train went over 90 miles an hour.
Wow.
Yeah, my need for speed is getting out of control. But, we got down there and checked into a giant hotel. It was huge. It's called the Manchester Grand Hyatt.
Ah, that is a lovely hotel in San Diego.
But here's the best part. So, me check in with hotel lady, her name Lauren. She knew who me was. She already waiting for me to get there.
Oh.
My room ready, everything. It was crazy.
That's exciting.
Yeah.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, very nice.
All
And
right.
then her co-worker, his name Alfredo, he asked if he could shoot video of me checking in. And they really did. It's
Wow.
funny.
Wow.
Yeah. We think you can tell about
You know
the
what?
community page.
We've got that on the we've got those extra videos on the community page because
Yeah.
I think people would really like to see that.
Yeah, it really happened.
Yeah.
There's one on me and conductor Matt on the train too.
Oh yeah, I've seen that one. That's cute.
It's pretty funny.
Yeah, that's pretty funny
We like
one.
it.
Mm-hmm.
But before me could even get out of the lobby, Puppet kind of became a little hit.
Tell us.
There were little kids everywhere, and me stopped and talked to a very cute little Make-A-Wish girl, and just had a little chat. And her parents asked if they could make a video.
Oh, that's nice. When I was with you, I did notice that the little kids loved you. They would come up to you and they wanted to show you their own toys. And one little girl had a puppet of her own that she came up to.
Oh, she wanted me to kiss it.
Yes, she wanted you to kiss it. And her mother took a video. It's so nice. We didn't get that video, but it's so... The children love you. And you know who else? Not just children, but I watched a lot of grown adults. They love you, Puppet.
Like even tough guys came up and said hello. It's
Even
kinda
tough
funny.
guys, it is.
Like young ladies, older ladies, like everybody. It's crazy.
But the little kids, they go after you. They love you,
Well,
Puppet.
me couldn't get out of the lobby for a little bit.
I
Parents
know.
kept coming up and asking if they could do more videos with me, with
I
their
know.
kids.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very
we
nice.
like it. Very
Very
appreciate
nice.
it. Didn't
Then-
expect it.
Thursday, I came down.
Thursday you came down. That
I
was the
came-
best day. We walked around.
We did walk
like
around.
So many people.
Oh,
we never
Puppet.
seen so many people in my life.
So many people.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Crazy.
Sea of people.
Yeah, but we met a lot of cosplay people, regular
Mm-hmm.
people, fans, it's all fun. Some comic dealers who give us some funny faces, but they still sold me my Venom comics.
Remember we saw the dude. We got a picture with the dude.
we
It's
got a
on our
picture
community
with,
page.
Yeah, Big Lebowski.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
and that big guy from Green Mile.
Right.
And,
is it Urko? Who's the guy from Planet of
General
the Apes?
Urko. He looked like he was going to eat
He
me.
did look like he was going
He's
to
kind
eat
of scary,
you.
but
we got to look at
pretty
all
handsome for an ape.
We saw all those cabinets and all those beautiful sculptures and monsters and things in there.
Oh, yeah. Very nice.
I mean, there's a lot of talent that is in that convention.
Oh, yeah.
It's amazing.
All the comic artists and animators and, a lot of people. It's very good. Movie
So many
makers.
people.
Yeah. Like all the props, crazy stuff.
Yep.
But one scary part happened.
What? Oh.
And that was when you remember. So we were walking along and all these people, and all of a sudden, me turn around and Puppet Lady gone.
Oh.
Puppet Lady, Kitchen Lady gone.
Yeah.
Me Puppet. Kitchen Lady. And we turn around, but we look look over the crowd, and we see you just walking away, where is she going? And they try to call out to you, but you couldn't hear me. Me yelling, Kitchen Lady! Kitchen Lady!
Puppet, there were so many people and I couldn't hear you. And I'm pretty...
We had to chase after you.
You did. You saved me because I'd have been lost in a sea. I'd have been gone, Puppet.
Fortunately, me,
Gone.
a little force of nature.
You are a little force of nature.
Came and got you.
You came and got me and saved you, and that's when I knew I'd had enough that day.
Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot to get through.
It's
Pretty
a lot
hot.
to get
Oh,
through.
it was really hot when we were
it
there,
was
too.
so hot and humid
hot.
down there.
But
there's so
it's
many
worth it.
things to see, and
Worth
it is worth it.
Worth it.
Yep.
Worth it.
Yep.
Worth it. Yep. Me go again. Yeah, it was great. Oh, that night, the one last thing, my one other first. me got to go to a real restaurant.
Oh, right.
Me know it was real. Yeah, me know it was real because we had there were real waiters there.
Oh.
We got to sit outside, and
It was a beautiful evening.
Very nice.
Very. I think it's near Seaport Village.
Oh yeah.
Very lovely.
It's called Eddie V's.
Oh yes.
Yeah, we shouldn't tell people.
Well,
that's our secret spot.
It is our secret spot, but they have delicious seafood.
Yes.
And
oh yes.
I mean, the seafood, you're not going to get any fresher.
Yeah, it's really good.
So the one thing that when we did notice walking the floor, people were not eating seafood walking the floor. Remember I told you there'd be lines for everything? What I noticed is people had a lot of granola bars, a lot of like snacks and things to get them through that sea of people. So what I thought we'd do today while we're just chatting here and remembering how much fun we had was I'm not going to show anything. I'm just going to give the ingredients list because what people were eating the most seems to be granola. And granola. I often make us homemade granola because I like to have it around because it's not only just you'll see that this is the finished product, feel that? Yeah. And there's all kinds of things in there. Oh, yeah. There's it's the base of it is just rolled oats roasted with some coconut and some veggie oil and honey to bind it all together, and you get this delicious
what about the
roast.
Fruit?
Oh well, that comes
fruit?
after. That comes after we roast it.
Oh, sorry.
Nope, that's okay.
Nope.
Because the base of it is you have to bake the granola, the oats and the coconut together and get the base of it, and then after it cools and it gets clumpy like things do, then you can add your dried fruit, and I know you love these apricots. We've got some apricots here. Oh, and these delicious dried cranberries and dried cherries. These dried cherries are one of my favorites. They are delicious. And then I like to put like a nut, so you can put an almond, but these actually are unsalted roasted cashews. Oh yeah. And put it all together, and this is what you get. And Puppet, I'm telling you that this is yogurt. I often just sprinkle it on my breakfast yogurt, just like that. You can just put it there, and it keeps in these, it keeps in a jar. I know that we've had people ask us about the finished product, so I'm going to zoom in again. I'm going in with a zoom. I'm going in with a zoom. Woo! We're like special camera zoom. But look at that. It's homemade granola, and it's so healthy. Yep, look at that. Oh, see, you can feel that.
Yeah, good. Keep going.
So put it on your yogurt in the morning and put a little honey on it, and you're good for all day.
Or milk. Use like cereal.
Sometimes very good. Yeah. See? Use it like cereal, and sometimes I put it on vanilla ice cream. Whoa. It's just that delicious. It's not too sweet because we've controlled the sugar, so...
That's a bold move, kitchen lady.
That is a bold move, but I think
it's
it's
my ice cream.
I know. You love your ice cream. So that's what we discovered at Comic-Con. What else?
One more thing.
Tell us.
Don't forget. So while we were down there, we walked around and we saw location shots of one of my favorite shows. We went to like the spots where they shot Renegade, like out behind the Marriott and that little seaport village full of office buildings and stuff.
You were so excited. You're like, stop, we gotta get pictures.
Renegade, we know this place. We know that building. Oh, no. Yeah.
You really did have a good time because we all know how much you love television. And when you saw those sets, you were like, kitchen lady, we gotta stop.
It's just real places.
But I know it.
Out behind the Marriott, me recognized that right away. We're like, we know where this is. We see this on TV. Oh, yeah.
Every Saturday morning we watch it.
Oh, yeah.
Instead of cartoons.
It's funny.
So we did have a good time, and we just wanted to share everything. So again, we've got pictures, we've got extra videos, we've got stories, all in a
Wait, me forgot the most important part.
What?
So on the first morning me there, me met the real Spider-Man.
Oh.
The real Spider-Man.
The real Spider-Man?
Real Spider-Man.
Okay.
He goes by name of Web-Headed Hero online, but he does shows at Disneyland and stuff. He's also been Star-Lord and Tarzan and a bunch of other stuff.
Wow.
He's super handsome, but he's also super nice guy. Mm-hmm. One of the highlights, best things that happened the whole time me at the show.
Oh, that's nice, because I know Spider-Man is one of your favorite.
He's big hero. He's my hero. Now he's my friend.
I know.
Yeah, very exciting.
Now he's your friend.
Yes.
We can never have too many friends, Puppet.
Nope.
So we are going to end it on that.
Okay.
And we want to say thank you for joining us this week.
Yeah.
And if you have any questions, let us know. We'll be back again next week. And
watch our community page for all the videos.
Yes, please. Watch our community page. You can get us there. You can find us on TikTok. You can find us on YouTube.
Yeah, blowing big numbers on TikTok these days. What's going on?
And you know what? Our website is being built.
Okay.
So we are in action. And, you know, it's not too early to say we need to start planning Halloween.
Yeah. Well, me already got several costumes.
Okay.
Me planning one costume.
We don't want to give those away yet, do
okay.
we? No. We want people to tune in and see what you're going to be.
One costume for every week of October.
One costume for every week of October. That's not a secret.
Can you ruin the secret?
Nope. All right. Let's say thank you.
Thank you.
Give them back their day, and we will talk to you later. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next week.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Spider-Man. Hello, Spider-Man.